everyone, my name is Rakshit Kumar Yadav. Today I am here for English storytelling competition. My story is about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born in Germany on 14 March 1879, but he moved to Switzerland when he was 4 years old. At school, Albert does not fit with the other children. Other children like to play sports and Albert does not like sports. He wants to study that how things may work. That is why his classmates laughed at him. Albert also did not fit with his teachers because they want to study only maths and science. And I think that Albert really hated memorization. Some of his teachers believed that he was mentally challenged because he did not know how his really smart was. Albert ignored his teachers and predictions and simply focused on what he loved, maths and science. Albert also loved music and played violin. When he was 12 years old, he studied about shapes, angles, points and lines and many more. Soon he became the mathematical genius. When he was 15 years old, his family moved in Italy. They worked hard and received his diploma and graduated. In 1902, Albert got a night job in Switzerland. His job was about new inventions. Now Albert got married. His intelligence is recognized all over the world. Albert thought that he has not special talent. Albert also thought that imagination is more important than knowledge. Albert was a kind-hearted person who loved children and people. Albert was very famous scientist in 20th century. He discovered in 1904 E equals to mc2. This is a mathematical formula called theory of relativity. It shows the relationship between the energy and matter. Albert was a person who knew about success and failure. A person who did not make mistake, tried to make anything, not try to make anything new. So the moral of the story is mistake makes man perfect. Thank you.